Hey guys, again welcome to Science Hackers World. Now we are going to try an interesting experiment. So for this experiment, you need what is this experiment you are notifying, right? Okay, I'll tell. You just see the experiment and I'll tell. Okay. You need a plate, a candle, a matchbox, any food color that you like. You can tell any color and some water. Okay. Now we'll keep this aside. We'll take a candle. Okay, we'll keep it aside. I'll put some water in this. Okay, it's enough. Now, food color. You can say color or food color. Meaning is same. Okay, now take your matches and your candle. Okay. Oh no, it didn't mix. What can we do? Okay. Okay, what we'll do is simply mix. Okay, place the candle in middle. Now take your matches and light up the candle. Now take your glass, wait for few seconds while it lights. Okay, it has lighted. What we'll do is simply we'll put the glass in it. Now see guys, what happens? Why did this happen? Why it happened? Do you guys know? If you know, please put in the comment box. Okay, I'll tell now. Why it happened? Because this candle, right, it consumes all the oxygen or air in this cup or a glass. Okay, what happens now? It consumes air. It consumes air and it takes air from here and the water, and it pulls water also. So it comes like this. I'll show you once more. You see. Okay. I'll light up it. Okay, now I'll put. Oh, did you see that? Oh no. Okay. Bye guys. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.